Question number 66 from reading 20. The graph is given and the graph is for the indifference curve for the investor X and for the investor Y. They have given two indifference curve. Indifference curve is nothing but utility curve. So I can see the indifference curve for the investor X is steeper. थोड़ा ज़्यादा steep दिख रहा है. And this is little flatter. The graph below combines the efficient frontier with the indifference curve. So, for the two different investors X and Y. So, this is for X, Y. Which of the following statements about the above graph is least accurate? Okay, so the options are given over here. So, let's do our analysis. एक का है steep, एक का है थोड़ा सा flat. So, जिसका अभी हमने last question में discuss किया कि जिसका ज्यादा steep है, so the indifference curve for a more risk averse guy would be steeper. So this would be more risk averse and he would be less risk averse. क्यों? क्योंकि थोड़ा सा flat है. If more risk averse है मतलब उसका curve steep होगा, थोड़ा कम है तो उसका curve थोड़ा steepness कम हो जाएगा. If it is like investor is risk neutral तो curve flat हो जाएगा. Again I'll draw over here. Expected return. So sorry. Anyways, it's not going. So indifference curve for the more risk averse guy would be steeper. Then थोड़ा सा steepness कम हो जाएगा. For a risk neutral it would be flat and for a risker it would be inverted. यहाँ पे दो इन्वेस्टर है. इसका steeper है मतलब the X is more risk averse and Y is इसका flatter है तो he is less risk averse. Expected return sigma more risk averse less risk averse risk neutral and negative में होगा इसका risk aversion risk seeker. So A would be negative for this guy. In the formula utility is equal to return minus half A sigma square. So A वाला जो है this would be negative for this risk seeker guy. So that's for information. अभी देखते हैं options में क्या दिया है. Investor X expected return is likely to be less than investor Y. So X is more risk averse मतलब he is not taking risk लेना नहीं है, more risk averse है. Not taking risk मतलब the expected return would be low because risk नहीं लेना है, less risk, so less reward, less return. Investor X is expected return is likely to be less than investor Y is correct because risk नहीं लिया है यहाँ पे. So is correct. So would not be the answer because we want least accurate. Karandeep, I believe now you're getting this point because यहाँ पे the investor X का expected return he would be expecting less because he is not taking risk. He is more risk averse. More risk averse मतलब risk लेना नहीं है. If he is not taking any risk, he cannot expect high return. So expected return for investor X is likely to be less than investor Y. Is a correct statement because he is more risk averse. And we want least likely. So A rule out होगा. B, efficient frontier line represent the portfolio that provide the highest return at each level of risk is correct. And also it gives the lowest risk for a given return. So is correct, but again we want least likely. तो ये भी नहीं आएगा. So the answer for this question is C. Investor X is less risk averse than investor Y. No, investor X is more risk averse क्योंकि उसका कर्व जो है वो ज्यादा स्टीप है and Y का जो है वो थोड़ा सा फ्लैट है. So the answer for this is C.